Good day. This topic is about ectoparasiticides. At the end of this discussion, we'll be able to learn what are ectoparasiticides, classification of insecticides based on mode of access based in chemical nature. So first, what are ectoparasites? Agents used to control parasites such as lice, mites, flies, ticks, and etc. that infest animals' body surface. The classifications of insecticides based on its mode of access into the insect's body. First is stomach poison, second is contact poison, third is system poison, and fourth is fumigants. Stomach poison. Absorption of the ingested ectoparasiticide as tissue or fat in through parasite's body through membrane in the midgut. Contact poison. The action of ectoparasiticide is through direct body contact. Systemic poison. The ectoparasiticide is absorbed through the animal's skin or stomach and distributed throughout the body. And lastly, fumigants. The ectoparasiticide is being released in the air as gas or suspension, entering the parasite's body through respiration. The classification of insecticide based on chemical nature. Organochlorines, organophosphates, carbamates, PYRETHROIDS, macrocyclic lactones, chlorogenic cytonyls, formamidines, insect growth modifiers. The term organochlorine refers to a wide range of chemicals that contain carbon, chlorine, and sometimes several other elements. Macrocyclic lactones. Macrocyclic lactones acts by increasing the release of an inhibitory neurotransmitter or GABA from nerve endings and its binding to its receptors. Organophosphates. Organophosphates acts by irreversibly inhibiting the action of ACHE at cholinergic synapses and at the muscle and end plates. Chlorinocytonyl. Insecticide killer targets pests in a similar manner as the natural producing nicotine. Carbamates. Carbamate insecticides used to kill or control insects are made from carbamic acid. Formamidines. The amidines or formamidines are acerides inhibiting monoamine oxidase, which is responsible for the metabolism of neurotransmitter amines in ticks and mites. Pyrethroids. Pyrethroids are synthetic insecticides commonly used in crop protection. Insect growth regulators. The insect growth regulators are substances that alter and interfere with development process and insect growth. And that would be all for the ectoparasiticides. Thank you.